are against the clock. Tony, you can have first go. Sunderland, Fulham.
Just home win for Sunderland.
Merce?
I'm going to go Fulham.
Matt?
Sunderland.
Charlie?
Sunderland.
Okay, this is what the boys have gone for. There you go. Bit of a divergence of opinion on how you play the game when you know it by now. It's absolutely free to play. You go to skysports.com/66 or press your red button. There you are. That's absolute proof. Now what about Stoke against Queen's Park Rangers today? Stoke, we've seen them already getting thumped by Bolton. Are they just having to learn to cope, Charlie, with much tougher demands? I mean, I looked at their schedule last week.
Yeah.
A week before it was actually, home to Newcastle United on the Monday night football. Yeah. Then had to fly to Tel Aviv, play a game out there in the Europa League, and then back to play Bolton on the Sunday. Now, with a bigger squad than them, they're still to cope with that, wouldn't they?
Yeah, of course they would. And it's that idea that you go, what a success story that they were last season. And they get into that. You yourself are saying they could be a top 6 team or only threatened.
I don't say. I asked the question.
You went with it.
I asked the question of you.
You love Arsenal and Arsenal and Scotland catch up with them.
No.
You did. You went big and Stoke. Now the reality of finding out what Europe means to these clubs. It's fantastic for the fans. They earned it. They deserve it. But when you look at the big money they spend is in a solid unit of 16, 18 players. The big money from people like Crouch, they have to get into the team straight away. They have a little squad and it just can't cope. And the psychology that's in travelling to Europe